Residents and taxi operators in Cave Mountain, Westmoreland staged a peaceful protest along the Cave Main Road this morning over poor road conditions. They say for far too long they've been neglected. Kimberly Petty reports.
As they chant, they don't really care about us. With placards in hands, residents and taxi operators took to the Cave Main Road as they air their frustration. Among them, bad roads and a lack of water. They say for 20 years, they've been enduring the hellish conditions. Motorists told TVJ News that they are frustrated.
Dayton Campbell, Dwayne Vaz. We needed to come and remember that there's a community called Cave. It's on the map. So look it up. It's on the South Coast. We have this lush, beautiful community. We have our houses and we have our children and we are frustrated. We are very frustrated and we are fed up and we are stressed.
We are dying. We are dying. We cannot anymore. Please, I'm begging you as the Salvation Army officer. So it's not only the needs or spiritual need for the people, but also physical need. We need the road. We need water. Please, I am begging. I am crying every day.
The disgruntled residents and cabbies say their political representatives are missing in action. Now, TVJ News understands that the constituency is shared by 2 members of parliament.
We have no proper representative for Cave community. Even Dwayne Vaz come from Cave and him nah do nothing for Cave. We need him out here. We need him. We need Dayton as well. We can't put him in and on sit down and comfortably in the parliament. We need to stay on the face in the Cave community.
We try Labour, right? We try PMP, now we're fed up because there's no representation in our community. So what we need this morning, we need road, we need water, because if you go up a Cave right now, not even donkey can pass up there.
Meanwhile, a member of parliament for Eastern Westmoreland, Dr. Dayton Campbell, says he has been making representation for the constituents. He noted that the road is to be fixed under the government's Spark program, but that there are hiccups.
The problem with the Spark program is that the government committed to the 10 roads with a limited allocation to the constituency and then went to do the estimates after. So the allocation to the constituencies is $300 million. And then when they went out to do the estimates, they realizing that the Kentucky Road alone, the Cave to Kentucky Road alone, is $174 million, which would be more than half of the allocation from the constituency itself. And so that is the problem. I have been making representation for the road.
He says while he understands their frustration, the issue is with the government as there are financial challenges. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.